In this video, we'll show you how to use the new Connect Multiple Sites functionality in MainWP, a feature designed to help you quickly add multiple child sites to your MainWP dashboard all at once. Before we get started, remember that the MainWP child plugin needs to be installed and activated on each site you plan to connect. To begin, navigate to Sites, Add New, and then Multiple Sites tab. The only required information is the site URL and admin username for each site, but we'll go over all the options here. One important note is that although admin password is not required, it is enabled by default. For our demonstration, we'll connect 5 sites. Let's start with the first site. Enter the site URL and then type in the admin username. Site name will be automatically filled in based on the site URL, but you can specify a different name if you want to customize how it displays in the dashboard. As you go down the table, you'll see other optional fields. If you'd like to tag your sites, you can do so in the Tag field. Admin password and security ID are needed only if they are enabled in MainWP child settings on your child sites. To review options or change them, navigate to the WP admin of a child site. Then Settings, MainWP Child. As mentioned, the admin password is enabled by default. We will leave it enabled, so let's navigate back to the dashboard and enter the admin password for this site. If your sites use HTTP Basic Auth, enter the HTTP username and password here. Since our example sites don't use it, we'll leave these fields empty. Under Verify SSL, we'll keep the default value set to 1, which tells MainWP to verify the SSL certificate on each site. If any of your sites are missing SSL, you can change this to 0. Next is the SSL version setting. We'll leave this set to Auto, which works for most configurations. Once you've completed all the fields for the first site, move down to the next row and enter the details for the next site. Follow the same process for each additional site. If you need more rows, just click Add New Row to keep adding sites. For this example, we've filled in the required details for 5 sites. With everything entered, click the Add Sites button to connect the selected sites to your MainWP dashboard. After a short wait, you'll receive information about the connection results and see these new sites appear on your Manage Sites page. And that's it. In just a few steps, we've bulk connected multiple sites to MainWP using the Connect Multiple Sites functionality. This method is a fast and easy way to onboard several sites at once without needing to go through the process individually for each one. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more updates from MainWP. Don't forget to check out one of our other videos next.